This is a great question to ask any attorney that you're thinking about hiring, because most attorneys rely on memory when it comes to meeting filing deadlines and thoroughness. And maybe they got straight A's in law school. Maybe they've been practicing for 7 decades. But any circumstance where you're relying on your own memory to know the statutes, the court rules, the case law, and the procedures and decorum for each individual court, you're setting yourselves up to have a certain percentage of your cases where you're going to miss filing deadlines and you're going to omit documents that should have been filed because the human memory is not perfect. This is why at Atticus Family Law, we use an internal wiki that keeps track of all of our policies, all of our procedures, the checklists for every filing, and all of our best practices so that we can turn around and make sure that we are hitting that high standard of executing flawlessly for every one of our cases.